Apologize for the delay and for this arrangement. We apologize everybody for that. And I congratulate the coach and the player and the whole Nadi Al Kuwait for this championship. Before taking question, I would appreciate first if you switch off your mobile phone, and then I would like to ask the coach to say some words before media asks the question.
Am câștigat cupa într-o manieră categorică.
We won the cup very categorically mode.
لقد فزنا بهذه الكأس وأصبحنا أعلى التصنيف أو أعلى فئة فيه.
Trebuie să uitați că am jucat cu Agdadu și am câștigat cu 3-0.
So don't forget we play against Baghdad and we won 3-0.
ولقد سبق ولعبنا ضد أقوى الفرق ومنها الوحدات وفزنا 3-0.
Am jucat cu Ale Tifagu, fosta mea echipă, am câștigat cu 6-1.
We played against Itifag, my ex-team, and we won 6-1.
ولعبنا ضد الاتفاق ذهابا وإيابا وهو فريق السابق وكانت النتيجة 6-1.
Și am câștigat această finală contra Erbilului cu 4-0.
And we won this final against Erbil 4-0.
وهذا النهائي فزنا به 4-0.
Nu o poate contesta nimeni.
So nobody can say nothing about.
لذلك لا يمكن قول شيء حيال هذه الإنجازات.
Seara aceasta am jucat ceea ce trebuia.
In this evening we have played what we proposed before.
ولقد خضنا في هذا المساء طريقة لعبنا التي اعتدنا أو كنا جاهزين لها من قبل، استعدينا لها يعني.
A fost o atmosferă extraordinară cu stadion arhiplin.
It was a very great atmosphere with a full stadium, great spectators.
ولقد كان مناخ المباراة مناخ رائع حيث امتلأت المدرجات بالجماهير، وهذه هي كرة القدم.
Am jucat împotriva unei echipe bune.
We have played against a team very strong and very good.
ولقد خضنا المباراة ضد فريق أربيل القوي، الفريق الجيد جدا.
Am avut șansa să înscriem repede.
We had the chance to score very fast.
وكانت لدينا الفرصة للمبادئة بالتسجيل.
Publicul a împins echipa înainte.
The fans pushed their team Arbil in front to attack.
ولقد ساند الفريق المتفرجين فريقهم أربيل لكي يهاجم أكثر ويندفع للهجوم.
Echipa atacând foarte mult a lăsat spații foarte mari.
And like this, Arbil, when they attack very much, they left free space.
وعندما اندفع فريق أربيل للهجوم العنيف تركوا مسافات كبيرة في الخلف.
Spațiile mari ne convin jucătorilor noștri.
So the free space was very good for us and for our players.
وهذه المساحات التي تركوها كانت جيدة جدا بالنسبة لنا وللاعبين.
Avem jucători de foarte mare viteză.
We have players with big speed.
حيث أن لدينا لاعبين على قدر كبير من السرعة والمهارة.
Și în felul acesta am reușit să mai înscriem de 3 ori.
And like this, we scored another 6 goals.
وبهذه الطريقة نجحنا في التسجيل 3 أهداف أخرى.
Vă rog să-mi dați voie să felicit spectatorii care au participat în seara aceasta.
I want to congratulate all the fans of Arbil and the public.
أود أن أهنئ كل متفرجي ومشاهدي المباراة من أربيل.
Să-mi felicit jucătorii pentru modul în care au jucat.
To congratulate my players because they give everything from their side in the field.
وأود أن أهنئ لاعبية لأنهم قدموا كل شيء في هذه المباراة والبطولة والملعب.
Și să vă mulțumim și dumneavoastră că sunteți aici.
Also I thank you because you are here with us.
وأشكركم جزيلا على حضوركم معنا.
Thank you, Coach. I'd like to give you some more information. The fair play of the tournament was Arbil, and then the MVP of the match, the final match, was Chadi Hamami from Kuwait SC. Coutinho has been chosen as the best player of AFC Cup 2012.
أود أن أخبركم ببعض الحقائق الأخرى أن أفضل لاعب في هذه المباراة كان هو اللاعب شادي همامي، وأفضل لاعب في البطولة على الإطلاق كان اللاعب كوتينهو، وأفضل لاعب في اللعب النظيف No.
This is MVP of the match.
MVP of the match, yes.
This is MVP of tournament.
Okay, and the third?
Fair play. No, there is no fair.
Yeah.
This is fair play then to Arbil.
What? Yeah. ووسام اللاعب النظيف ذهب إلى فريق أربيل.
And also we have two top goal scorer of AFC Cup 2012.
كما وأن لدينا اثنين هما أفضل مسجلين الأهداف أو أفضل هدافين في آسيا.
They are joint top goal scorers.
حيث اقتسموا الجائزة.
Amjad Radi from Arbil.
أمجد راضي من نادي أربيل.
And Reja Rafe from Al Shorta.
ورجا رافع من فريق الشرطة السوري.
They scored 9 goals in 2012.
حيث أن كل منهم قد سجل 9 أهداف في هذه البطولة.
Okay, congratulations to Coutinho. And if you have some word to say, you have been the best player of this tournament 2012.
Bravo. And for next year.
اتكلم من غير المايك. اتكلم باللين. First of all, I would like to thank everybody here for attendance with us. And I would like to thank my colleagues in the team, my players, my administrative staff, my technician staff, even my spectators in Kuwait. Every Kuwaiti, I would like to thank him. We achieved this title. Okay, I got the title. I'm very happy to be the most valuable player in Asia, but I didn't get this title alone. It was by the support of my colleagues. That's why I would like to thank them all. I would like to thank my coach, my players, my field. We are very happy for this title.
Thank you. Just correct it one more time. Coutinho is MVP, most valuable player of AFC Cup 2012.
Yes.
Okay.
كوتينهو أفضل لاعب في المسابقة في كأس آسيا، في بطولة كأس آسيا.
Okay. Any questions from the floor? Yes, please.
كان اللاعب عندي مصدر الخبرات في الفريق الكويتي، مع ذلك كان المدرب في بداية الشوط الثاني التأهيلي.
We noticed that the player Fahad Al-Aindi was very dangerous, especially in the first half. What was the reason for which you changed him during second half?
Ce o să scrii mâine despre meci?
You tomorrow, what you will write about this game?
ماذا ستكتب غدا عن هذه المباراة؟
Asta e meseria mea.
This is my job. أكيد لم يستطيع أن يعقد معك كويس.
لا، هو بيقول لك أنا عملي إني أكون مدرب وحضرتك صحفي. Okay, فهو الذي يتدخل فيما ستكتبه بغلط. He said that tomorrow I will write that Erbil didn't forget or cannot avoid the complication of curriculum. This will be the title of his.
Okay. Next question. Yes. Yeah, next.
Yeah,
he didn't ask questions. He just gave comments that he didn't ask.
Yeah,
No comment.
He asked about reasons why he changed players. Okay, no comment from the.
No, I think that he gave comment lastly. He didn't ask.
Yeah.
Okay, you please.
أنا كأدوات كرة عراقية الضغط الجماهيري كيف استطعتم أن تغلبوا على هذا الضغط خصوصا إذا علمنا أن الجماهير في الكويت قليلة في المباريات مقارنة بالجمهور اللي اشتغل.
How you succeeded in avoid the pressure coming from the spectators. Especially we know that in Kuwait there is no a lot of fans who attend the matches. In front of this big number of spectators, how you succeeded to avoid this pressure?
Ieri la conferința de presă am spus că ne face mare plăcere să jucăm pe stadioane pline.
Yesterday in the press conference, I told you, my players, they like too much to play in this atmosphere.
في المؤتمر الصحفي الذي سبق المباراة قلت لكم أن لاعبي يعشقوا اللعب تحت ضغط الجماهير في وجود جماهير كبيرة.
And like this it was.
Okay. Any other question? No question. Can I ask a question from players? How was the experience playing in, I don't know, it was first time to play in Iraq, full house stadium? It was full house stadium before. Okay, so you have an experience.
Yes.
Did it help him to just perform well in this match?
اوكي يقول لك يعني لعبوا هنا في أربيل وتحت الضغط الجماهيري ده هل ساعده ان هو يؤدي افضل في المباراة؟